Hi there, students. A tyro, tyro, a noun, a person, a beginner, a novice, somebody who's learning a new activity, a person who's new to an activity, a beginner, a newbie, a rookie, a neophyte. Okay, I'm really looking forward to seeing this Tyro's new performance in the football match today. Okay, he's a new footballer in the team. Okay, a Tyro, somebody who's beginning, who's learning something, a new recruit. Okay, so yeah, an apprentice, if you like. Okay, so yeah, he's a Tyro journalist. I've heard this word used particularly in journalism, although it's not a very common word. So, a tyro, a beginner, a tyro newsman, a tyro teacher. Yeah, you use it as a modifier. So, what about formality? I think I'm going to give it 5.5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere, although I think you may find a lot of people don't actually know this word, a lot of native speakers. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin tyro, a new recruit, a young soldier, a new recruit in the army. Yeah, so he's just a green tyro. Yeah, his greenness will wear off and then he'll stop being a tyro. Yeah, he'll stop being a beginner, a neophyte, if you like. An apprentice, a learner, a newcomer, yeah, a freshman. Well, that's for university. A fledgling, greenhorn, a novitiate, okay, or as the Americans say, a rookie. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Clearly you are not Tyro learners of English.